Hey, what's up everyone? This is Rich from TechBox, and today we're going to check out how to make an animated ebook cover. I've been seeing a lot of this stuff lately from different software companies, and so I thought we would just take a look and see how to create them for free or for very little money if you do have a Canva account. And I think you could do this even if you have a free Canva account. First thing we're going to do is check out the one that I do have currently. So this is called Marketing Magic, and this is an ebook that kind of gives you the ins and outs of digital strategies for small businesses. Now, I had created this with an app called Designer, and Designer is an incredible ebook creator, and I actually created this with AI. They just launched Word Genie for Designer, and I think I had so many X amount of credits or whatever with my plan that I have. Now, I think I am out. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm out of the credits that I got, but I did manage to put together an ebook called Marketing Magic. And so take a look at it real quick here. This is basically what it came up with. Now, this was put together probably in about 5 minutes, and as you can see, it's a pretty extensive ebook. And again, I wrote none of this. I did read it over, however, and it's really good. And so, maybe in a future video we'll go over Designer and how it actually creates ebooks for you. But just wanted to show you, I was going to do this anyway, so I figured I'd jump on and show you guys how to make an animated ebook cover that will go on to our website. So this right here, we'll change this up and we'll make sure that it is animated. And I don't like that one anyway. That's kind of the one that just came with the software. So yeah, let's dive in. So we're going to come over to Canva, and just typed in ebook cover up in the search box here, and these are the example templates that came up. Now, it is called Marketing Magic, so I just thought we would kind of take this first one here and customize this. So when you open it up, it's going to pull over your cover, and just like any kind of graphic editor, when you hover over things, gives you kind of a pop-up box that shows you that you can click into it, move it around. When you double click into it, you can change things like size, color, things like that. So we're going to take this out here. We're going to change the title. So let's change that up. All right, we're going to move this. Now, I'm not real big on that font, so let's come over here and maybe find something cooler. I like that one actually. So let's go with that. We'll change up the colors here. Take that out. All right, what's the tagline for it? Marketing Magic, unleashing the power of digital strategies for small businesses. I think I've got all that. All right. And so, as you can see, it's pretty cut and dry as far as how to change things up. We're going to change this color here, and we're going to change this color here. So, pretty plain as of right now. So let's go through and look for some elements. We're going to type in magic, and this is kind of the stuff that we got. So let's check out these graphics here. I like this. This is pretty cool too. So how about we do this? We're going to click and drag this, and again, you see the little crown there. That's for the pro account. I do have the pro account, but say if you didn't, this is free. There's a couple other things that I've seen that were free. Something like this is free. And so just pull those over, you drag them onto your canvas here, and place them wherever you like. Now, Canva, as well as like Photoshop and things like that, they work in layers. So if you ever want to see where your layer is at as far as what's on top of something else, you would right click it, or a two-finger click for laptops, and you would come down here to layer. Now you can bring it forward, you can bring it all the way to the front, or if it's already in the front, you could send it to the back. So it's in the back right now, and so what I'd like this to do is animate in some form or fashion. So we're going to come up here to animate, click on that, and let's see. Let's go over some of these and see what they look like, and see what would look cool if it was just kind of sitting on your website, which is what we're going to do with it. So let's take a look and see. Looking for something, I don't know, slower that can I don't know, kind of just come and play like that. That's kind of neat. That's kind of cool too. What do we got here? Pulse. Now that's okay, but maybe we'll use that for something else. And that's kind of neat too. So honestly, I think something like this breathe, where it continues to kind of grow. So we'll use that. Let's look for something else now to give it something. This is kind of neat too. This is already an actual animation. So let's drag this over, and we'll pop it right in there. All right. Now actually, let's remove that. And there we go. Maybe what we could do here too is kind of move that sparkle up to the top. All right. So I like that. I actually don't like that so much. Let's give us a little bit more breathing room. And so if you don't like the spacing in between the lines of your text, you come up here to spacing, and you would look on line spacing, and we'll pull that and open that up a little bit to give it some breathing room. So I like that. Just for these purposes right now, I think we're good to go. So we're going to leave it like that. Now we need to do two things. Over in our app here, let's click out of that. Over in here, we need to edit this. So again, this is an amazing, amazing app. At first, I really wasn't sure about it, and the more that I wasted money on other things, I really came back to this and found a new appreciation for it. So if you'd like to check out Designer, go to our website. We'll also leave a link in the description here. I think there's a free trial for it, and I really highly recommend this if you're going to create ebooks. It creates animated flip books as well, and so this is something that we're going to put onto our site, and this is going to be a free lead magnet giveaway. And you could charge for this if you wanted to. I mean, it's extensive enough, but we're going to use it as a lead magnet to build an email list. The money is in the email list. If you're going to get into affiliate marketing, that's a number one. You need to create an email list, a community that you can not only sell things to, but provide value to. No one's really going to follow you if you're just constantly shoving sales in their face. You want to give them some quality content that they could learn from and use for their businesses. So we're going to get into that on a later video, but right now, again, we need to replace this front page here. So what we're going to do, come back over to our ebook cover in Canva, and let's see, that plays at about 6 seconds. So if we were just gonna kind of play that out, you got 6 seconds there, and then it'll stop. Now that will keep going. However, that's its own GIF. Now we're creating a GIF out of the entire thing so that we can use it on our site. So you're going to come up here and you're going to hit share. Down over here, you're going to hit download. When you do that, you're going to be able to choose a file type. Now right now it's playing as a video. What we want, however, is a GIF. And so let's increase the size a little bit just so the resolution is high enough. And also remember, we're also using this as the front page of the PDF as well. So you want it to have a decent resolution. And you can even save 2 copies of this if you wanted to. One that you're going to use on your ebook, and then one that you can use on your website as a graphic. All right, finally downloaded. Let's hop on over to Designer. There we go, background image. All right. So as you see, you're not going to get the animation on this because it's going to be a PDF. So what we want to do now is publish this. All right, and we're going to export. Okay, so we're going to download the PDF, and here we go. We have the new cover for our ebook. And then what we're also going to do is we're going to open the flipbook to kind of show you the technology that Designer has. Now, basically, this is just like a magazine, but on your computer. So you can flip through the pages. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can download this right here. You can share the link to it. And you can just autoplay this where it'll flip through the pages kind of on a set. Not necessarily sure why you would do that because it goes pretty fast. Maybe if you're just kind of giving an example to someone. So that's the ebook right there. But what we are here for, however, is to change over this to an animated ebook cover. So we're going to change this image. We're going to upload our new one. See what we got. Alright, so we're at 2.2 megabytes. We definitely shrunk the file size. I'd like it to be a little bit smaller, so I'll probably go back and download it at the smallest one. But just to get, give you the idea of what we're creating here, we're going to update this image. And look at that. Now, I'd like to get a better crop on this actually, because it's a bit. There we go. All right. So there we go. It's on our website now. Whenever you would click over here, you could download this ebook. I think what we'll do from here also is we'll create a page that features the flipbook. And so this is an easy way, a very cheap way to create an animated ebook cover. I think I've seen the one today that's being promoted all over the place. It's going for, I think, $67, and then they have some bundle deal that's, I don't know, like $400. So this is a much cheaper way to do it. You kind of get the same result, and this is a very kind of basic one. You could really get into something really cool, but just for this purpose, I wanted to show you guys how to do that. If you guys found this video helpful, if you could please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, that would be awesome. We'd like to continue to create videos like this and bring you guys the latest and greatest tools to help your business thrive. So we appreciate you stopping by, and we'll see you next time.